Basically, you've got the whole. So the whole idea is that you use the whole animal. So it's about having respect for your produce. Do you know what I mean? You want to use what you got. First place, we're a business as well. Do you know what I mean? My job now is to make sure that the restaurant makes money. That's one of my biggest jobs. We track the head afterwards. We use the heads as well. But here you've got beautiful cod cheeks, and then you've got a lovely little neck loin there, which is really nice. Just going to come down the whole fillet. I'm going really tight to that spine. I'm doing everything in one movement. I'm going close to the meat, close to the bone. Now I'm going to skin it. I'm going nice and tight to the meat. Obviously I don't want to waste anything. Trimming everything up to get it nice and sharp. The skin. Sometimes we scrape the skin, so what we do is we salt it for a day, and then we cook it in a water bath overnight, and then we bake it, and then we dry it, and then we bake it, and then we puff it in oil, and it puffs crazy, so it's like a prawn cracker, but a fish one. So it's just another idea to use all of the fish.